To manage shipping addresses and rates for subscriptions, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Then locate the subscriptions page and click on it. Now, open the subscription contract for which you want to update the shipping address and manage shipping rates. Click the edit icon in the shipping address section. Now, enter the new address for the customer carefully. Once done, click the Save button. The shipping address will be updated immediately. To update shipping rates, scroll to the shipping method section and click the edit icon. Now, update the shipping title and the rate for the subscription. Once you're done, click the update button. The shipping rates will be updated promptly.